So far, we have worked on ECM Titanium using official Alien Tech drivers. For those of you wishing to create custom drivers, including maps calibrated for more specific needs, Alien Tech has developed a specific plugin called Driver Maker, which can be purchased separately from ECM Titanium. Driver Maker is useful for adding maps to official drivers, or for creating completely new ones, to be used exclusively on your own ECM Titanium key. To launch Driver Maker from the ECM Titanium homepage, we must already have an original file open. Click on the dedicated icon and choose Yes on the pop-up to open Driver Maker with the maps included in the official Alien Tech driver. No to not consider the official driver and create your map list from scratch. The Driver Maker window that appears has several panels, each of which with a dedicated function. The first box shows the path of the original and the modified file loaded with ECM Titanium. If no modified file has been loaded, a copy of the original file is displayed in the mod line. The second box shows the 2D graph made up of two traces, the original and the modified one overlying. The traces are formed by a succession of points, whose heights depend on the values found at the respective hexadecimal addresses. You can select a portion of the track by right-clicking twice at the beginning and the end of the map. Do you see that in the box at the top right, once the selection has been made, some addresses have appeared? They refer precisely to the points we have just selected. Under the graphics area, we find the scroll bar together with the zoom and max commands below. Zoom is useful for increasing or decreasing the horizontal zoom of the graph, while max acts on the vertical one. These arrows buttons have a similar function as those present in the ECM Titanium 2D graphic window seen in the previous chapter of the video. They are used to move from map to map, but only work with an official driver, or if we have already inserted maps into our customized driver. Further down, we find the editor, a panel that allows us to consult and edit the parameters of the selected map and its reference axes. The box on the right is dedicated instead to the addresses of all of the performed selections and their origin. BLK indicates a selection made from scratch without inheriting the characteristics of an existing map. ORI indicates the selection of a map from the original file, therefore of the starting driver, and MOD indicates the selection of a map inserted on the modified file. The last box at the bottom right is the display panel. All supported number formats and display settings available for the 2D graphics area are grouped here. By changing these settings, the type of display in the graphics area changes. Now that we have made our selection, let's fill in all the necessary information and click on Add button to add the map to the list of those already present. After this operation, an arrow appears above the edges of the registered map, similar to a Map 2D with an Alien Tech official driver. With the Ctrl-W key combination, you can quickly switch from the 2D graphics area to the table view, where the entire list of maps already inserted in the driver is also shown. By clicking on the name of a map, its tabular representation is displayed on the right. If we had selected No on the pop-up at Driver Maker starting, once the modification is complete, this list will contain only one item, the map we have just added to the driver. To save the driver, click on Save. To better distinguish the customized driver from the official Alien Tech one, let's update the description indicating what we have changed. Then, save and close. Remember that the newly saved driver will not be loaded online, but will remain available only within the personal database of the key we used to create it. With this last step, we concluded the video dedicated to the advanced editing functions of ECM Titanium. We have seen all the types of the map and the entire original file visualizations, all the possible value editing functions, how to search for information within a file in hexadecimal form, how to export the changes to a similar original file, and lastly, how to approach the creation of a custom driver through the Driver Maker plugin. If you need to review the basic functions of this software, look at the dedicated video. For all other insights, do not miss the courses developed by expert teachers dedicated to all levels of ECM Titanium, from basic to advanced. See you soon.